You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that we come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? I'm sure you expected this before you came here.
You know, say a man supposed to not like you.
Yeah?
So you don't know, say, the whole of last week, I went actually a week without posting any Ninja Man video. Can you believe that, Ish? No, man. History on my channel. So right now, back to the Ninja.
Me see, me and Cartel never clash. And I out him run out on stage and lick me, my friend them, we lick me on face with buckle. Me could have taken it to a different level. Because me could have sued the promotion, you know. All these sacrifices me go through, you know, me never sue Mr. Leng, take the lick on my face. Me go to court and me have to spend time I go court. All them something there, me never disrespect them yet. Me never do nothing. Me work my soul out to make that show be where it be.
Yo, you see what I wanna Sting? Or what's happening with Sting? I that to reach them. They disrespect artists on top of artists every year. Especially Ninja Man, the foundation for Sting. The man will build Sting. Yeah man, I that them forget man for styling Ninja over the years.
Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap. Because as a youth I come from the university and go to college, I'm supposed to teach people better than when I teach people.
Did he actually go to college?
No, he spent like a year and left.
You're lucky. Me never come in here with no sit down in no class. Oh, and him get for sit down in a class in for 1 year and come back out and teach people foolishness.
Well, this interview obviously is an old interview, and I believe right after Alkaline they sing about Brata. You understand? Basically Ninja does say, yo, for a young intelligent youth like this, you should be singing better songs. Don't be misleading the masses. Don't be misleading the younger generation. And Ninja right. And I'm an Alkaline fan. In terms of younger artists, Alkaline are my artist. Older artists are Ninja Man. And then Beanie and Bounty are my artists. Yeah.
Anytime you put it on, and no Gucci and no Louis Vuitton, this is something make your body full of corn. I make your favor run a Roger Clark farm. Listen this, me say the boy go for gun, so me go for mine. But him a go do pay me, most in mine. Me nas a blow storm, like a tig every nine. Everybody disappear like imaginary line. No walk when me walk. Ninja Man black and ugly and dark. After Jita Park down to One Time Park. When me walk, yellow tape and crowd up and chart news flash broadcast. Oh,
Anytime you put it on, and no Gucci or no Louis Vuitton, this a thing you make you sing like a Roger Farm cat. Anyways, you had to be there if you understand the reference Roger Clark Farm. If you don't understand it too young, kids.
Are you clean?
Eh?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
Me smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
How you get it? Plant it?
A girl, you're a real informer, you know, man.
Emily. Have to keep correcting you.
Where you know, so you give me answer like a union Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say, Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that we come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? I'm sure you expected this before you came here.
You know, say a man supposed to not like you.
Yeah?
Hey, when me tell you, Ninja Man and Emily interview is the most iconic, is the most epic interview in dancehall history. They have every version. They have cartoon, they have it black and white, the original. Now they have Iron Man. Iron Man or an alien version. But it never get old. Are you clean? Emily, an informer. No, she's not. She was just doing her job. But anyways, we hope you enjoy look at short videos of, you don't know, Dan Gargan. The man will blow up my channel. One of my favorite artists. One of the top 10 dancehall artists of all time, in my opinion, and many others. Yeah, hope you like the video. So just share up the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share it, yada yada yada. Come back tomorrow, watch the next one. Bless.